Strasburg, Pennsylvania, home to North America's oldest and continuously operating railroad and the most visited heritage railroad in the U.S. Chartered in June 1832, the Strasburg Railroad began in an era of covered wagons and canals, serving Strasburg with freight and passenger service. Lancaster County, known for its Amish country, played a vital role in early transportation, birthing steamboats, Conestoga wagons, and key canal systems. For over a century, the railroad's fortune fluctuated. In 1958, local investors revived the myth of railroads, giving it a fresh lease on life. When the Philadelphia and Columbia Railroad bypassed Strasburg in 1831, it was a blow. The Strasburg Railroad's charter in 1832 sought to connect Strasburg to this main line. Despite early financial hurdles, by 1851 the railroad connected passengers and freight to the Pennsylvania Railroad junction in Paradise, Pennsylvania. By 1954, the railroad had weathered many challenges but faced decline. In 1958, passionate railroad enthusiasts intervened, determined to save Strasburg. Their efforts bore fruit in November 1958. Just 3 years later, ridership soared past 125,000, signaling their success.
Everyone, tickets, please. Or cell phone tickets, whatever you got.
By 1960, the demand for excursion trips surged. The directors turned to steam power, distinguishing the Strasburg Railroad from others. Today, offering authentic steam locomotives and beautifully restored wooden railcars, the Strasburg Railroad stands out in a world dominated by diesel and electric. Their commitment to restoring and running 19th and early 20th century wooden coaches sets them apart. With unmatched expertise in steam restoration and wooden coach refurbishment, Strasburg's legacy continues. Today, with over 300,000 passengers annually, the Strasburg Railroad remains one of the top tourist attractions in the region. Preserving history, celebrating heritage, and creating memories, Strasburg Railroad is a testament to the spirit of innovation and perseverance.